Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds a and First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the a sound in the word rags, rags, rags. Now the sound in the word rugs, rugs, rugs. Now I will use them both in a sentence. She makes rugs from old rags. She makes rugs from old rags. She makes rugs from old rags. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!